位乘客請注意，由於交通改道，本班車將受影響，個別巴士站已臨時遷移或取消，不便之處，敬請原諒。
Your attention please. When the traffic diversions, the routing of this departure will be affected. Certain bus stops are temporarily relocated or suspended. Please accept our apologies.
請緊握扶手。Please hold the handrail. 請緊握扶手。
本路線以循環線形式運作，巴士喺抵達呢個站後會稍作停留，然後繼續行程。
This route is operated on a circular basis. We will stay at this stop for a few minutes before proceeding to the next stop.